Your life is falling apart and you don't even know why. It's not your wife. It's not your bank account. It's not your job. It's not your business. It's because you stopped praying. Now, real talk. When's the last time you really prayed? Like just even a casual small prayer. Not a scroll, not a stress cry, just you and God. Drop it in the comments below. And I promise you, no shame, no judgment, and just know I'm reading every one of them. Now, Jesus didn't say, when you feel like it, just pray. In Luke 22, he said this, get up and pray so that you will not fall into temptation. You don't pray to be religious. You pray to stay ready. Such a good point. You know what else is a good point? The fact that most people scroll through life getting advice from people that talk about they're a guru, but they got no receipts. I'm Matt Sapaula, Marine Corps veteran, entrepreneur, and founder of the 7 Figure Squad YouTube channel and a podcast called Just Earn It. Faith, finances, family, legacy, and we cut through the fluff. We talk about the stuff that actually matters. Real conversation with leaders, investors, protectors, creators, and builders. If you're tired of recycled advice and you're ready for conviction, for clarity, and for cash flow, connect with me on Connect. I take your questions personally and answer them personally. So don't just watch content, get in the conversation. Connect with me today. And now, back to the conversation. Prayer is how a man stays standing when life hits hard. It's not extra, it's not optional. This is spiritual survival. Now, let me show you how this looks in real life. Lecrae, award-winning artist, husband, father, voice in the culture, and still, he almost lost it all. He admitted, I almost lost faith in people. I lost faith in God. I lost faith in faith. Depression, anxiety, trauma, silence from heaven. But he didn't stay there. He fought back with prayer. He prayed when it felt dry. He opened the word when it felt like a wall. He surrendered and restoration followed. Baptized in the Jordan River, marriage renewed, purpose realigned. He even dropped an album called Restoration because that's what God did. Today, he's leading in prisons, preaching on stages, and living out in faith that was rebuilt in prayer. In Romans 12, it says, do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. This is one of my favorite scriptures in the Bible. That renewal doesn't come from your feed, it comes from your knees. TikTok is discipling you. Instagram is shaping your values. If the word and prayer ain't transforming you, the world is. You got caught up in the wrong algorithm. So, what do? My recommendation, start simple. It's as easy as cracking open a Bible, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Ask God, Lord, give me a scripture right now that will feed into my soul, that will feed into my spirit about exactly I am going through. And then actually read the word. Understand the context of what that story in the Bible, in the situation is telling you and what it's going through, and potentially it might relate to something that you're going through. Pray out loud. Pray even when it feels awkward. See, that's the tough thing about men. We tend to keep things too much on the inside. Ask God to lead you. Therefore, you can lead your family, your finances, and your future. Now, if you're committing to do this, please put in the comment section below, I'm in, and I'll personally pray for you this week. And this isn't about religion. This is about restoration. God doesn't want your performance. He wants your presence. Now, tag a brother who needs to see this. Tag a sister who needs to see this. Tag Lecrae to remind him that his work, his life is still helping to lead men. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe, comment below what your biggest takeaway was, and show up back next Sunday for the next episode here of the Faith Made Leader series. We don't rise by ego, we rise by prayer. Until we meet again, continue to live smart, continue to love smart, and be money smart today.
I'm not thinking